Have you ever faced a sudden quality problem at work? One small defect can stop an entire production line, delay customer orders, and cost the company thousands of dollars. In this lesson, you'll join Nam and Mai as they work together to handle an urgent quality issue in a manufacturing factory. You'll learn practical English for reporting problems, finding the root cause, discussing corrective action, and communicating professionally under pressure. Let's get started.
Hi, Mai. Do you have a minute?
Hi, Nam. Yes. What's happening?
We have an urgent problem on line 3.
What kind of problem?
The quality team found a defect in today's products.
How many parts are affected?
Around 200 pieces so far.
That's serious.
Yes, we need to stop the line immediately.
Has the supervisor approved it?
Yes, he gave the order 5 minutes ago.
Okay, I'll inform the operators.
Please do it now.
Done. The line is stopping.
Good. We must inspect all finished parts.
Should we separate today's production?
Yes, please isolate every box from this shift.
I'll place them in the quarantine area.
Don't mix them with good products.
Understood.
Did anyone report this issue earlier?
No, it was discovered during the final inspection.
What is the defect exactly?
The holes are larger than the specification.
Did you measure them?
Yes. We used the digital gauge.
What was the result?
Some parts are outside the tolerance.
By how much?
About 0.4 millimeters.
That's unacceptable.
I agree.
Let's check the machine.
The operator is waiting for us.
Ask him not to restart it.
I already told him.
Great.
Should we review the machine settings?
Yes. We need to find the root cause.
I'll bring the setup sheet.
Thank you.
Here it is.
The settings look normal.
Let's compare them with yesterday's record.
Good idea.
I see one difference.
What is it?
The cutting speed was increased.
Who changed it?
The night shift technician.
Was the change approved?
I don't think so.
We need to confirm that.
I'll call him.
Thanks.
He said he adjusted the speed because production was behind schedule.
Did he test a new setting?
Only a few samples.
Were they okay?
Yes, but he didn't measure every dimension.
That may be the problem.
I think so too.
Let's perform another inspection.
I'll prepare the samples.
Measure 10 parts.
Okay.
I'll record the data.
The first part is good.
Next one.
This one is out of tolerance.
Record it.
Done.
Continue.
4 more parts have the same defect.
The issue is consistent.
Yes.
Let's reduce the cutting speed.
Back to yesterday's setting?
Exactly.
The technician has changed it.
Good.
Should we run a trial?
Yes. Produce 5 pieces.
The machine is running now.
Check the first sample.
It looks better.
Measure it.
It is within tolerance.
Excellent.
The second sample is also good.
Check the remaining pieces.
All 5 are acceptable.
That's encouraging.
Can we restart production?
Not yet.
What else should we do?
We must complete a corrective action report.
I'll prepare the document.
Also notify the production manager.
I'll send him a message.
Tell him about the root cause.
I'll explain that the cutting speed caused the problem.
Good.
Should we inform the customer?
First, let's verify the affected quantity.
I'll count all the suspect parts.
Separate the good ones.
Already done.
How many defective parts do we have?
198 pieces.
Can we rework them?
I'll ask engineering.
Please do.
They said rework is not possible.
Then we must scrap them.
That's a big loss.
Yes, but we cannot ship bad products.
I agree.
We should review the work instruction.
Maybe it needs an update.
We also need operator training.
That will help prevent mistakes.
Let's schedule it tomorrow.
I'll arrange the meeting.
Thank you.
Should we add another quality check?
Yes. An extra inspection after setup.
Every shift?
Yes. Every shift.
I'll update the checklist.
Great.
The production manager has replied.
What did he say?
He approved our corrective action plan.
Excellent.
He also wants a summary before the end of the shift.
I'll prepare it.
Do you need my measurement data?
Yes. Please send everything.
I'll email the report.
Thanks for your quick support.
No problem. We solved it together.
Teamwork makes a big difference.
Absolutely.
Let's monitor the next production lot carefully.
I'll stay at the line for the first hour.
Good plan.
Hopefully everything stays stable.
I'm confident we'll avoid the same defect.
Great. Let's keep improving our quality every day. Great job completing today's lesson. You've learned useful English for handling urgent quality issues in a manufacturing environment, including how to report a defect, inspect products, identify the root cause, and discuss corrective action with your team. Keep practicing these expressions so you can communicate more confidently and effectively at work. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next technical English lesson.